My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
What's going on, guys? It's Caleb. Today I'm going to start this video off a little differently. I was informed today is my 1-year anniversary for working for my family. So thanks to you guys for having me, watching my videos. I love my job. I love working here. I very much enjoy what I'm doing. So please continue to watch. I'm only growing, making the Modern Muscle showroom bigger and better, bringing in better inventory. So this is just a quick appreciation. But today we are looking at one of my favorite sports cars on the market. This is a 2019 Corvette Z06. This is a C7 body style. It's a battle. I love the C6s and I love the C7s. They just don't get much better than this. I wish Corvette or GM would bring them back, but they're not. So here we are with a very low mile example, making it very collectible. Guys, these are only going up in value, which is nice. You can drive it and make money at the same time. This has 578 miles on it, so lightly driven. It's got the supercharged LT4 6.2 liter in it. This is finished with a ton of options. We have like $19,000 in add-ons on the window sticker here. So lightly driven. We acquired it from the original owner. I have the window sticker. I have a folder filled with all the dash tags, the order sheets, all the original plastic stuff, the dealer report, stuff like that. So it's ready to drive or it's ready to sit in your garage and look at. It looks great either way, but let's get into it. If you guys have been enjoying our videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll get notified every time a new one gets posted. You don't want to miss out. We got a lot of great cars. I'm trying to bring you in the best of the best inventory, like this Z06. So they go just about as quick as they come in. So if you want to be the first on it, click on the bell. You'll see the video as soon as it gets posted. For the full write-up and photo shoot, you can visit volocars.com. You can study the specs, look at the close-up pictures. We have them inside, outside, the undercarriage of the vehicles. They're high-quality photo shoots. It's very addicting to look at. There's a couple hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars. They're all for sale, volocars.com. But let's take a look more into this Z06. All right, guys, so this is finished in one of my favorite colors. They call it black. This one's very black. It's not crystal black, it's not metallic black, it's just black. It does have crystal red full-length racing stripes from the factory. That was a $1,000 addition to this car. I love these Z06 body styles on them. They do a ground effects package. This one has the carbon flash metallic ground effects, so that was another $2,000 option. So usually the side skirts, the front lip, the rear valance, it's finished in just a matte composite black color. This one has that metallic carbon flash on it. In the Z06, you get the high-rise rear spoiler on it as well. Again, this was the rear valance. This is that carbon flash. I love it. It's just enough sparkle. It offsets from the triple black or the deep black color on the paint job. You have a Z51 performance on this one. So you get the multi-mode, quad-tipped, dual full stainless exhaust. So underneath the car, obviously it's spotless. This is a 2019, 500 miles. How dirty could it really be? Again, absolutely spotless. Part of the Z51 package, you're going to get the engine, the transmission, and the rear diff cooling systems on them. So it keeps the temps down, giving you the best performance at all times. We have the magnetic ride control. Some of the best handling on the market, guys. These have the most comfortable ride. It has a multi-mode by the turn of a dial in here, so you can change the performance of the vehicle and the suspension setup on it. So you can go from touring mode, soften the springs up, to track mode, sport mode, and Sport Plus or Sharp, I believe they call it. The front lip is finished in that carbon flash metallic as well. Same with the lower grille inserts and the air ducts. This does have the curb view parking sensors, so 360 parking, guys. Even the tow hook right here, not that you want to use it, but that's a nice little touch. It also is finished in that crystal red metallic, so it matches the racing stripes. That's a nice little addition. It just offsets the car just that little bit. The wheels, they are upgraded to the Z06 finished in a chrome. That was another $2,000 option from the factory. Of course, they have the Michelin Pilot Sport run flats on them, the summer only tires, part of the Z51 package. The wheels are beautiful, 20-inch in the front, 19s in the rears. I did not see one blemish on them. I'm going to double check my statement. All the chrome is perfect, no rashing, no pitting, nothing like that. They shine like they did new. Also part of the Z51 performance package are the upgraded Brembo brakes, 6-piston in the front, 4 in the rear. We have a nice slotted 2-piece rotor. There's no rust, surface rust, or anything like that on them. So again, brand spanking new, and it shows. This car is absolutely gorgeous. The side air vents are finished in that carbon flash metallic as well. And they offset it with that chrome Z06 badge with the red Z. Absolutely love that. You got HID, high intensity xenon headlights, same with the turning lamps and the daytime running lights. If you look closely, they put that little Jake Racing or Corvette Racing emblem right in the turn signals on them. So very small, subtle, nice features of the car. The hood is carbon fiber, so it's lightweight. The air duct on top is finished in that carbon flash metallic. The rag top, or the convertible top, is a rag top. It's black, it's not red. It's in excellent shape. You can put it up and down up to 35 miles an hour with a push of a button. You can also do it by the remote, so pretty nifty, very convenient for you. Let's take a look inside. We got a bunch more to look at. All right, guys, coming into the interior, lots to talk about. This is finished in a spice red color, they call it. This is the 3LZ Premium interior package. So that's a $9,000 option from the factory. Absolutely loaded. Power everything, power mirrors, power doors, driver memory seats. You have great things like head-up display. You have performance and data video logging and tracking on it. You have a nice navigation. The screen pops up and down. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, full Bluetooth, dual climate control. We have heated and ventilated seats, of course, finished in that nice soft leather color. The seats are in excellent shape, guys. 500 miles, 578 miles. This thing looks and smells brand spanking new. The leather dash is perfect. There's no wrinkles, no cracking, anything like that. The leather steering wheel is in excellent shape as well. It has that carbon fiber Z06 insert on it. On the center console there, you have that Z06 badge showing the supercharged 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque, an 8-speed auto transmission with paddle shifting. Below that, or to the side of that, is the driver mode select. You can turn off your active handling and change it from sport mode, touring mode, all that great stuff. It does have dual climate control as well, so the passenger can control their own climate and their heated cooling seats from the push of a button. Absolutely love this car, guys. Loaded with options. It has additional red seat belts that were added. It also will have the one-touch power top. So it's actually by the steering wheel there. Nice and convenient, right by the info and the head-up display. You have a lot of controls from your steering wheel. You can take phone calls, end them. You have your cruise control, of course, as well. What I was talking about, the curb view cameras, it'll pop up on the screen. It'll show you an aerial view and a 360 view of the car. That way you don't damage that gorgeous front lip, keeping the car in excellent shape. It also has the suede headliner, or I should say start of the headliner, and the sun visors. So it's that premium soft suede. Very nicely done. I love the colors of this car. It just really offsets from the black, really pops. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. This is a very sharp, sharp car. Moving on to the trunk, you can pop it either from the dash or the remote, or the key fob, I should say. It is a soft close as well, so when you close it, it sucks it automatically down. So that's nice, you don't have to slam it. To pop it, you can hold it by the trunk or the remote. We have some original floor mats, I did forget, so it's upgraded. It has Z06 emblem floor mats in it. Does have a cargo net as well. I also have down here in the cubby, there's the original owner's handbook still in the bag, as well as the Sirius XM radio trial. I don't know if it's still accessible or not. It might be up on it. On the right-hand side, underneath the trunk cover here, is the battery. Everything, the carpet, guys, it's in excellent shape. Nothing's been stored back here besides the spare parts. Like I said, I do have the folder with the rest of the documents in it. We have the original air intake box as well that goes with it, and I believe there's some other goodies that come with it. Some of the plastics that were original to the car. There's the front license plate bracket and something else in there. Let's move on to the engine bay. Pop the hood. Again, carbon fiber, lightweight, pops right up. They have a nice Z06 emblem on the heat shield. It's nice carpeted. Nice and new, guys. We're staring at that supercharged LT4, so it's a 6.2 liter V8 pushing 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. This does have, from the factory, dealer installed, we have the upgraded Jake Racing mascot air intake. This is carb legal in all 50 states. We have the tag that goes with it, so you can install it. If you guys are in California, it will pass emissions. So we have this nice tag right here that shows it's carb legal. You will be able to put this somewhere on the engine bay. I think they require it in a specific spot, so you'll have to look that up. But that does come with the car. Again, 578 miles, guys. Everything's nice and clean, brand spanking new looking. It's spotless. You could eat off this engine bay. Now, the car was speaking to me when I brought it on the turntable. It was saying, drive me, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go take it for a spin outside. All right, guys, here she is outside. Just as gorgeous as on the turntable. The nice menacing black crystal red stripes. Look at the metallic flakes sparkle. Now, I did notice when I was pulling it out, there is a teeny tiny nick right on the front bumper here. It's maybe a quarter-inch long, so very, very minor. Otherwise, the car's in excellent condition. Alright guys, that was my impression on our 2019 Corvette Z06 convertible. Again, 8-speed automatic with paddle shifting, or the Triptronic as you call it. 3LZ, Z51, absolutely loaded, ground effects package. It's pretty much everything you could want on a Z06. Again, love the C7s. They're not bringing them back, guys, so the ones that are out there, they're only getting driven more, having miles added to them, and getting in car accidents. So whatever's out there, that's it. So they're getting harder to acquire in excellent condition with low miles. If you guys are interested in purchasing this car, you can visit volocars.com. If you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a refundable deposit on the car. It'll hold it for you. Shoot us an email. We will be contacting you back. I can help set up financing if need be. I can get this thing shipped right to your driveway. It's super easy, so check it out, volocars.com. But thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the next video. All right, so it's finished in one of my favorite colors, black, nothing else. So there's nothing nicer than just a solid black, very black.